All right, let's try number 9 again. So we have the shadow problem. Light pole is 15 feet. Man is 6 feet. We are walking away. Um, I got in a hurry, evidently. I always like this back one to be X, and I like this front one to be Y. And whatever the person is that's walking away, it's always the rate of this piece right here. So if we're walking away, the rate of this is going to be positive. If we're walking towards the light, the rate of this is going to be negative. I don't know why I put X out front. But the rate is always this piece right here. So I'm going to label this X. I'm going to label that Y. Then we set up our proportion. So the 6 and the Y are in the same triangle. The 15 and the X plus Y are in the same triangle. So that's why I have 6 over Y and 15 over X plus Y. Another way to do it would be 6 over 15 equals Y over X plus Y. You can set up a ratio many ways and get the right answer. All right, so then I cross multiply. So I have 6x plus 6y, and I have 15y. Subtract the 6y over, gives me 9y. Take the derivative at this point, so that's going to be 6 dx dt. It's going to be 9 dy dt. We said this was x, so the change of this is going to be dx dt, so that's why we stuck 5 in there. So 6 times 5 gives me 30. And then I have to divide by 9, and then that reduces to 10/3. So that means dy dt is this piece right here. However, this problem wants to know how fast the tip of the shadow is moving. The tip of the shadow, how fast it's moving, is how fast this whole side is changing. The whole side tells me how fast the tip is moving. So this whole side, the tip, is going to be x plus y. So I need the derivative of this. So I just did d tip over dt, and x would be dx dt, and y would be dy dt. So now all I have to do is go dx dt plus dy dt, and that's going to give me what I want. Common denominator here, 3 times 5 gives me 15. 15 plus 10 gives me 25. 25 divided by 3 gives me 25 feet per second for how fast the tip is changing. Okay. If I wanted to know how fast the shadow was changing, is the dy. So this is the dy. Okay, so how fast the shadow is changing is this piece. How fast the tip is changing is this whole piece. How fast the person is moving is this piece. So those are the 3 pieces you need to know when we're talking about the shadow problem. Sorry about the confusion, but I picked that, or I fixed that and corrected it.